that I can do with this is I can change the tempo of my session, and the default, which is a test question, is 120. I'm going to change the tempo of my session. I can do this one of a couple of ways here. I can either double click up at the top here, this red diamond, and then it brings up a tempo change event. And then I can change it to 135 here. Also, you can have it up here in the banner up at the top. In the upper right-hand corner, if I click this pull-down menu here, I can go to MIDI Controls. And then in the MIDI control, I can change the tempo here too. So I can change that to 135. And then you can see that down here on my tempo ruler that goes along the top, it now says 135. If I don't know the tempo of the song, but if I have a rhythm that I can listen to, I can go up here in the banner to the MIDI controls, click on the tempo, and then tap the T key in time with the song, and then it will take an average, hit return, and then it will change your BPM.